Hi there! So, not so long ago I tried my Voigtländer, which I bought in Germany, in Frankfurt. I tried it just to see if it was actually properly working, because I bought it for like 50 euros, so like, yeah, I just wanted to see if it was good or not. And it turns out it was actually working. No. So I had tried it with a black and white film roll, and today I'm basically trying with a color roll. I have Kodak Color Plus 200, 36 photos in there, expired in 2021, but so that's good. Hey, so it's me again from after coming back from the photo lab. I will talk about this more at the end of the video, but basically there was an issue, and on the 36 frames that were available on this film roll, only the first 7 photos showed up properly, then the rest of it is just completely black. The last time for the black and white I did a mix of nature and city, so I went to a city park and then I took some photos in the streets of the city. Now this time it's color, it's a beautiful day. I could do street photos, but I just really want to walk in nature, so I'm actually going to use Strava to see how long I'm going to be able to walk today. It's already 2 p.m. I want to see what kind of distance I can do, so I'm going to go for a walk along the river and then in the fields and in a park. That should be a long walk. Actually, when I do this it's like 16 kilometers. And just like last time what I did is I took my Lumix S5. I also filmed with the GoPro. Today I'm just going lightweight with that and the Lumix S5 currently filming. So last time with the black and white film roll I put my Lumix S5 in monochrome mode. I don't know if you can see, but I'm using currently the neoclassic mode. So I will use that mode for both videos and photos, so I'm going to record photos as both RAW and JPEG. Yeah, and probably I would just keep the JPEG and edit that. I'm trying this bag for the first time, by the way. Hopefully everything can fit in there. So now I don't want to take the microphone out. By the way, I'm also going to be setting my ISO at 200 on the Lumix S5, considering that the roll I have put is a 200. It's really great to film with that one actually, but it's heavier than a GoPro. It's 3 p.m. by the way, and I haven't reached the river. Well, I'm just reaching it. But yeah, it's warmer than I expected, but I do want to take care a bit more of my appearance, and I do like wearing those shirts, so yeah, I will just be warm. So now it's 4 p.m. for 72 kilometers. And yeah, I've done the circuit that I want to do today. I've done it already on my runs, and it's about 15 or 16 kilometers. There I am reaching Saint-Grégoire. That's the église, I don't know the word in English. I'm going Wat exclusive c'est un détail. Okay, so the boat's on the Écluse of Saint-Grégoire. Okay, so that photo is the last one that appears on the roll of film. I will still continue the video and I will still continue to show you when I'm taking photos for nothing, just for the fun of it, really. Yeah, the video is much better with that compared to the GoPro. I hate how convenient the GoPro is compared to like a nice thing like this.
Désolée, je t'embête, c'est juste pour te dire que ici j'avais vu un marin-pêcheur.
And here we have the Écluse. I don't like that I don't properly hear the click. I hope it's going alright. Pardon? Ah non, pardon, c'est la barrière. C'est la barrière, pas de souci. So that's the Écluse. It's 5 p.m., 5 and 3 minutes. And I have been walking 7 kilometers. There you go. And I am far from done. I don't know, like, should I be home around 8 or 9? So this old man was just worried that I was taking photos of him or like videos. Yes, I told him no, that he wasn't on my photos or anything, just to not worry him. But I do understand his concern, especially if you don't know like a lot about photos and videos and you've seen a lot of stupid idiots doing whatever with photos of people or videos of people without their consent. I do understand his worries. Look at this little man. Where are you? Baby lizard. So that's the name, Écluse de la Charbonnière, of the Écluse that was there. And yeah, oh, this is shaky AF. Shaky as fuck. Oh god, what is that? Now I was just talking and I saw a lizard and I started filming, and another old guy just stopped and was really interested in the camera, in the photos and the videos. So you can't really predict how people are going to like perceive the camera. It's also like understandable that a lot of people really are suspicious of it or scared of what you might do, because like nowadays, especially with the IA, you can just basically get like, if you have somebody's face, you can just make a porn video about it if you want. So like I understand that they are suspicious if they see me filming, but generally speaking, I would say it's more good interactions than bad. The best way to make sure that you're not being caught doing something you shouldn't be doing is just to not do something that you shouldn't be doing. So like, don't go out with bad intentions. Just still filming, yeah. I'm still just very thankful for all the positive interactions that I have thanks to the camera and to photography. Oh god, what are those settings, girl? God damn it. $5.35. time for a snack. So it's 5:40 and I am at 8:92, so nearly 9.
Non.
Non. J'ai fini mon goûter, donc il n'y a plus rien à manger. Still not hearing properly the click, so I'm still bothered by it. We will see, I guess. Cows. That's what happens when you're a city girl. You just see cows and you're just the happiest. Look, cows. We need to do a shot with the sunglasses. They are like definitely coming closer. Hey baby. No. Ta-da. Maybe I should sing something. I think they like music. Should I put on some jazz? Like, I don't know if you've seen the videos of like people playing like trumpets or whatever and the cows are just coming. Or like saxophone. I think I've seen one with a saxophone. Maybe. Maybe. Oh. Oh, c'est bien de manger. Oh. Oh. No, they're afraid. So yeah, like I said, for a city girl, you just need a few cows and I'm happy. By the way, it's now 6 and 8 minutes, 9 kilometers, 56, 57. Now it's 6:45 and I am at 11 kilometers 57. I have dinner early usually. Alright, it's 7 p.m. and I'm at 1266 kilometers. Little horse. Ooh, we've got ducks here, chicken. So it's 7:30, 1370 kilometers. Goodbye park. So now I'm home. It's 8:15. I can't speak. I have stopped the clock. Yeah, 16 kilometers, 16:09. Perfect. Alright, so as I said, it was a roll of 36 frames and only the first 7 were properly working. There were the actual photos on those and all the other ones were just completely nothing. It was just dark. So throughout the day, I wasn't sure, but I could hear that the click was weird. It wasn't clicking properly all the time. And the first time I had tried this with a black and white film roll, it only did this at the beginning, so I thought it was something I hadn't like properly put the mechanism or something. But apart from that, the first time that I tried it, all the photos were there except for the first few ones in the beginning where I wasn't sure, but all the rest were there. So the man at the photo lab said that sometimes it has something to do with the speed, so like I should do some tests to see if it works at every speed or not, because that's something that can happen. And considering that those two rolls didn't have the same ISO, it's also really possible that I didn't use the same speed for both of these rolls. So I will have to run more tests with that camera. Overall, so I'm obviously disappointed because only 7 photos out of the 36. So that's disappointing, obviously. But from the photos that I've seen, both in black and white and color, it's actually a great camera. I just wish that it was reliable, so I really need to find what the issue is and to write it in order to remember for the next times. It was also a really good day and I walked a lot and I took a lot of photos also with the Lumix S5, so I'm really happy with that. I'm also happy that I tried this neoclassic mode because I think it looks really great for the videos, even though sometimes my settings were completely off and I was like out of focus or just completely like overblown, like the highlights completely overblown, like ridiculous. But a good day overall despite many failures, and there were cows, so you know. Alright, so I hope that you enjoyed this video and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye.